Once upon a time in a small village, there was a busy market. Every Saturday, villagers gathered to buy fresh fruits, vegetables, and lovely handmade crafts. The air was filled with laughter and the sweet smell of ripe bananas and juicy oranges. Children played while adults chatted, making the market a lively place. One sunny Saturday, a young girl named Mia walked to the market with her mother. The sun smiled down on them, making them feel warm. Mia was excited because this was her chance to practice speaking English. She wanted to tell the sellers what she wanted to buy. As they reached the market, colorful stalls caught her eye. Mia's mother said, "Let's start with fruits, Mia. Go and ask that lady for apples." Gathering her courage, Mia approached the stall. "Excuse me, how much are the apples?" she asked, her voice shaking slightly. The kind lady smiled back and said, "They are $5 per kilo, dear." Mia beamed with joy because she successfully spoke in English. Her mother encouraged her, saying, "Good job, Mia. Now let's buy some oranges." With renewed excitement, Mia went to the next stall. She asked the seller, "Can I have 6 oranges, please?" The seller nodded and placed the oranges in a bag. Mia felt proud. Each time she spoke, she became more confident, as if her words danced in the air. Next, they visited a craft stall. Mia admired the beautiful handmade bracelets. She turned to the seller and said, "These are so pretty. Can you tell me how much this one costs?" The seller replied, "It is $10. Mia decided to buy one with her savings. She smiled, remembering how she practiced asking questions. As they finished shopping, Mia and her mother sat on a bench, enjoying their snacks. Mia shared her thoughts about the day. She said, "I am happy I spoke English at the market. It was fun." Her mother hugged her and replied, "You did wonderfully, Mia. Every time you speak, you get better." Mia felt proud, knowing that the market was not just a place to shop, but a place where she could learn and grow. From that day on, Mia visited the market every week, talking to different sellers. Each conversation helped her improve her English speaking skills. The market became her favorite classroom, filled with words and smiles, teaching her that practice makes perfect.